Hello everyone and welcome to our mortgage payment calculator. Our calculator has 4 simple inputs: loan amount, which can be edited like so. Everything changes automatically. We have a slider for interest rates. We have the interest term in years. Choose between 30, 20, and 15. And here we can input your prepayment amount if you would like to prepay. And down here you'll get a balance breakdown of how much you're spending on interest, prepayment, and principal, as well as your balance remainder over time up until the end of your loan. On the left we have payments due. We have it broken down by total monthly payment, total months, and then total payments over time. And down here we have the savings from prepayment. So by prepaying, you can see how many months you saved, how much money you saved, and your savings rate is a percentage, which takes your money saved over total payments had you not prepaid. So moving over here to our navigation tab, we're currently in the mortgage calculator page, which is labeled main page, and over here money matters. For more advanced users, we can add taxes, insurance, and salaries. So here we can input, similarly to the last page, taxes, or tax increases, our annual expenses, our annual salary, and that will spit out a first year cost breakdown, which adds taxes, insurance, and shows how much salary you have remaining after all of your expenses. And here it shows the same information just over time for every month up until the very last. Over here on the left we have the taxes plus expenses. We have the total you'll be spending on the loan for your first year, and added together that creates the total first payment, or the total first year payment. Subtracting that from a salary, we have $285,000 salary remaining, which gives us a cost rate of 18%. And this cost rate is essentially what percentage of your salary are you spending on housing expenses. So let's say your salary was about $120,000. Your cost rate would be 54%, and we would not recommend taking the loan. But let's say it was somewhere in the middle, like $250,000, or let's say even a little bit lower than that, like $220,000. Cost rate of 29%. We might not recommend taking the loan, and this is based on the 2836 rule. If you'd like to read more about this rule, you can click right here, which will take you to a very informative website called bankrate.com. Moving on, in the navigation tab, you can explore interest rates, which will take you to consumerfinance.gov and allow you to input your credit worthiness, credit ratings, I should say, the cost of the house, and other details about the loan. And that will generate some interest rate estimates. And here, for more advanced users, if you like to see all the data, calculations, and numbers that went into creating this dashboard, you can do that and edit everything manually. But most users will use the mortgage calculator and the money matters tabs. That was our dashboard, and thank you for watching.